This course is divided into two parts. One is English speaking and one is personality development. The first part is English speaking. Under English speaking, we will be covering up the following topics. First, sentence formation. Second, pronunciation. Third, art of public speaking. Fourth, group discussions. Fifth, confidence in spoken English. Sixth, communication skills. Seventh, accent and voice. Eighth, basic grammar. Basic grammar. Did you know that correct grammar is your key to speaking English fluently and confidently? Knowing your grammar will help you avoid errors that make your English sound strange to the native speakers. But there are certain situations in which English grammar is especially important. Now, take an example. You're going for a job interview in an English speaking country. What do you think the employer will hire you for? What will be his interest in you? Well, the employer will be interested in the quality of your spoken and your written English. In fact, in a recent survey, it is found that 50% of the employers dislike an application due to bad spelling and grammar. Well, we've got a good enough reason to correct our grammar. Now, correct grammar won't just demonstrate your English skills, it will also show that you're diligent and you have an eye for detail. Here at Concord, we are going to solve a lot of basic grammar exercises which will include noun, pronoun, verb, adjective, adverb, interjection, prepositions, articles, and etc. We'll be solving these exercises on the live sessions with y'all so that y'all can easily learn as well as y'all can complete your assignments on time and have least doubts. But also if you have doubts, we have the query hour. Sentence formation. Now, what do you understand by the word sentence formation or sentence structure? Why is it important? Let me tell you. Sentence structure is important because it provides us with the framework for the clear written expression of our ideas. What are we trying to communicate? The aim in writing a complete sentence is always that we provide it with correct punctuations, that we begin a sentence with a capital letter and end it with a full stop, exclamation or a question mark, depending on what kind of a sentence are we trying to frame, whether it is a exclamatory sentence, whether it is a direct message or whether it is a question. A complete sentence also always contains a verb, completing the expression of our idea and making sense in standing alone. Pronunciation. It is a very vital part of the English language. A typical problem faced by non-native speakers or students is the incorrect pronunciation. When a word is being mispronounced, it tends to send an improper or wrong message to the listener. For example, take the words like effect and affect. To improve your these pronunciation mistakes, we at Concord will offer you with the beginner level phonetics session. That's how we will start helping you to improve your pronunciation in English language. Group discussions. Have you ever thought why are group discussions being conducted? Have you even ever realized that group discussions are conducted to evaluate the candidates on certain personality traits? Here are some important personality traits and skills that a candidate should possess to perform well in a group discussion. Leadership skills and initiative taking ability, the power of knowledge. Also, they evaluate you by conducting a group session, as in how is your ability to perform as an individual and as a group. Also, they test your analytical and lateral thinkings and your communication skills. Here at Concord, we will be teaching you how to maintain the following during a group discussion so that you ace every group discussion that you're a part of. We will be teaching you fluency, articulation, modulation, your body language maintenance, your eye contact maintenance, and your posture maintenance. The art of public speaking. There's something about public speaking which is both exciting and terrifying at the same time. On one hand, public speaking can help you connect with a lot of new people, various audience, and a lot of new speakers, landing you with various opportunities and also boosting your self-esteem and public image. Whereas on the other hand, standing up in front of thousands of people and hundreds of people and a mic in your hand is scary, isn't it? I know that gets your feet cold, hands trembling, and even a shaky voice. But yes, you can. We all can master this art. If you want to tackle the art of public speaking, this course is for you. We'll cover how public speaking can help your career and how you can become a great public speaker so you can start using this rewarding experience to grow professionally and personally and also bring more clients to your business in this process. Communication skills. Succeeding in your career requires good communication skills. You need to know what you want and how are you going to attain it. Now, being an excellent communicator can help you propel the career that you want. Good communication skills can help you land an interview and also pass the selection process. Also, to do your job effectively, you have to discuss problems, request for information, interact with others, and have good human relation skills. Now, all these are part of having good communication skills. They help in being understood well and also in helping understand the needs of those around you. We at Concord are going to teach you these communication skills in different ways. It can be done vocally. Now, vocally, I mean through verbal exchanges. Like we'll be having dialogue exchanges, we'll be having mock interview sessions, and also we'll be having through written media. Now, what are written medias? The books, the websites, the magazine, various articles, newspaper reading, story reading, etc. etc. Also, we'll teach you visually, which is by using graphs, charts, maps, emojis, say different kind of pictures, or non-verbally, that is by your body language, by gestures, by the pitch of our voice, and also tone. All of this means that communications are essential soft skills which are vital for a successful career, and you need it for your career too. Confidence in spoken English. Have you heard of this quote? Confidence is contagious, so is lack of confidence. Well, I know that there are a lot of scenarios where you become hesitant or you doubt yourself when you want to communicate to a person. We feel that maybe what if I tell is not that important to the person, or maybe I might sound stupid, or maybe that person would not be interested, or maybe you fear of being judged. But then that means you're not confident, right? You're not confident that what you're going to say is actually the correct thing. But you want to say it also. How are you going to overcome this fear? There are various techniques to overcome this fear and build confidence in yourself. We have jotted down a number of exercises, a number of practices, a number of therapies, techniques to build this confidence in you. This course is where you will learn how to have self-confidence, how to have optimism, how to, if you talk to a mirror, and then you'll judge yourself. You will say to yourself that yes, I have self-confidence. I can perform anywhere. I can speak. In no doubt, I will be the best performer. Even if not the best performer, I will perform for myself. I am going to do it. If I do it, I can do it and I will do it. The only normal way to begin speaking in a new language is to begin speaking badly. This quote given by Greg Thompson totally defines a language. Now heading towards the second part of the PPT, that is our personality development, I am handing over this PPT to Miss Preeti. Miss Preeti, over to you.